Welcome to the Center for Alternative Wastewater Treatment, located at Sir Sandford Fleming College, Lindsay, Ontario.
Here we are at the first part of the filtration process, and that's actually making the effluent for the treatment process. We're here at the bathrooms of the new wing here. And this is where all the effluent gets distributed into the settling tanks that start that first part of the filtration process.
Our other source of contaminants come from the tilapia building, which at the time of our visit was home for 200,000 fish. The waste from the fish is collected in this tank, and from here it's pumped into the constructed wetland.
Alright, so here we are at the Fleming College constructed wetlands. Right now we're at the first stage of treatment here. These are the settling tanks right beneath here. You can see these tanks under here. I'm not going to open them up because they're going to be a little bit smelly this time. This side of the constructed wetlands actually deals with the effluent from the bathrooms right by the library. Over here are the settling tanks. This whole column here of treatment is from the tilapia building. Basically this stage of the settling of the treatment is the settling process, where all the solids, everything else settles down, breaks down, and it can proceed through the treatment as a liquid, be filtered through different filtration mediums.
The sewage is then pumped into the first wetland cell.
Alright, this is our first wetland cell. This is a horizontal flowing wetland cell. It consists of 3/4 inch round gravel and sand. The effluent is pumped from the settling tanks and into this side of the cell, and it flows this way, all the time being broke down by microorganisms and being absorbed by the plants.
As the effluent flows from this horizontal cell into the vertical cell, it goes through a transfer of pumps, and then in this vertical cell it then transfers down to another horizontal cell, allowing the microorganisms and bacteria to further break down the effluent and the plants to absorb some of the toxic chemicals.
Alright, so we're at the final treatment cell here. This is the final one. This is cell number 3. It's another horizontal flow cell, just like the first one that we saw. From here, the water comes down through the effluent into the final pond here. The final pond really serves a purpose in just polishing off the water, additional microbial filtration, also aeration of the water. Up here we have a windmill that pumps air into the final pond, giving it a little bit more oxygen, a little bit more air, polishing off. Now this water is considerably cleaner than when it came through from the settling stages into the first cell. This is near drinking quality. There is some bacteria in it, but it is near drinking quality and is considerably cleaner than what we started with.